Greetings, Miracle in Motion. I have discovered, or at least I am truly pondering the question if less choice actually gives me more freedom. How can that be? Well, I've realized many times in my life that when I have too many things to choose between, I usually end up choosing what I usually choose. If I have 50 brands of toothpaste, I usually pick the one I usually pick. And now with all the dating apps and whatnot, Tinder and whatever it's called, the number of potential mates you have to choose between, I don't know, but I have an idea that it leads to less freedom because, is this the right one? Is this the right one? Maybe I should wait a while. Maybe there's another one who is even more the right one. And if you think about it, or if you feel, it's more important to feel than to think. And to me, if you have only one path, you don't have to choose between 10 paths or 5 paths or even 2 paths. There's only one path. There's only one way. In this, you're not inability, but the fact that you don't need to put energy into choosing gives you more power and gives you more freedom. And I believe, for my sake, this is what happens when the more I connect with my original dream, with my original programming or abilities from that was the plan from Gaia Sophia to begin with. I realized that a lot of different paths, a lot of different alternatives, a lot of different distractions or obstacles or wanderings, they simply disappear and cease to exist. So to me, the more I find my path, and that's the thing, because we have resonance, you have resonance. When your truth, when your true song, when your true tone vibrates, it will resonate with your path, and it will lit your path up. And when your path is lit up, the song of your path will also be stronger. Then there will be resonance between you, between your truth and your true path. So when you find your way finds you. And eventually, of course, you become the path, because then you're not really going anywhere, because you're always where you're supposed to be. And the path is you, so everywhere you walk, you are the path. And this usually happens when we stop looking for something, and we start resonating, we start sounding our unique tone in this symphony on earth. And as I see it now, as I feel it now, this is deeply connected to Gaia Sophia's original dream, because we have a unique memory bank. And I've started more and more to access my unique memory bank to see who I am and what I am and why I am. Who are you? What are you? Why are you? So less choice gives more freedom. Like a flower. A flower, a rose. A rose knows, I'm a rose. There's no hesitation. It doesn't think, maybe I should be a dandelion, or maybe I should be a birch, or a squirrel. No, because that's the blessing and the curse to be human, because we have the ability to imagine, we have the ability to doubt, we have the ability to choose our programming. which has led to all sorts of challenges in the world, because we can change our program. We can choose which memories we access. We can choose to access memories of betrayal, or we can choose to access memories of infinite divinity. And luckily, our DNA holds a unique key to our personal memory bank. So your DNA is a unique vibratory key that unlocks your specific memory. And to repeat, when we unlock our unique memory bank, we just know who we are, what we are, and why we are here. And then we don't need to choose, because by choosing our truth, we become the chosen one. So you are the chosen one by your own choice. So choose yourself and choose your unique truth. And just delete all memories that are in discrepancy with your truth. And you may think, okay, how do I access my unique memory bank? Is there an app? Or do I need batteries? Or do I need to make some certain spells and ceremonies and pay in blood or something? Well, nature. If you go out into nature and spend time with nature and truly talk to nature and talk to Gaia Sophia. Hey Gaia Sophia, I truly want to reconnect with my original dream. What should I do? Can you help me? I want to be part of the new world, new earth. And just by choosing, just by making this single choice, you may realize that things start to happen. And a cautionary note here, caveat. I have done this several times, and many years ago I said I choose freedom, which took me to a journey through everything I was afraid of, because I wasn't free if I was scared. So when you do this, when you choose, I choose to live my original dream. I choose to be in resonance with my original dream. Be prepared that things in your life will change, and things that is not in resonance with your original dream will fall away, like the husk of a seed. There is tremendous power in this choice. I choose to live according to my original dream. So less choice is more freedom. Less choice is more power. Play with it. See if it resonates. Okay, as always, I truly wish you and your loved ones all the best. And may you remember who you are. May you remember who you are.